Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I have a video about Bitcoin and XRP related to secret societies, and I'm going to expose the Illuminati, Freemasonry, Skull and Bones, and Saturn worship in this video. Saturn worship having a lot to do with time. In mythology, Saturn has been considered a nighttime sun, and the secret societies, they strive after gnosis, and so the G in the Freemason logo may represent gnosis or geometry, and I'm going to go through it. So real quick, I'm going to correlate Bitcoin to Skull and Bones, then XRP and Bitcoin to Saturn worship. This analysis suggests that both of the cryptos are of New World Order origins and have esoteric geometries with measurable mathematical impacts, and this has a lot to do with time. Bitcoin and XRP and blockchain in general is not really meant to benefit the people. It's meant to control us just like time does over our physical reality. So BTC is 7 in full reduction. It's a full reduction cipher. There are 7 colors of a rainbow, chakras in a body, or days in a week, and this is a big theme for this entire analysis. The letter G is the 7th letter used in the Freemason logo mark. G likely means gnosis or geometry. The Freemason logo mark also contains the square and compass. This is important. I'll go through it. 7 squared is 49. So the squares are also a big part of this analysis. It'll be shown later. BTC blockchain is 49 in full reduction. 7 colors is 49 in Chaldean. Skull and Bones is 49 in Chaldean. And the 49th prime number is 227. 227 can be seen as 22 divided by 7, which equals 3.14, or is basically a representation of pi, and this can be the compass in the Freemason logo mark. BTC can be representative of the mirror of the 322 for Skull and Bones. This is also seen as the as above, so below relationship. So B is the 2nd letter, T is the 20th letter, and C is the 3rd letter. Now T being the 20th can be reduced to a 2. So BTC would read 223. Now 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7, so 7 is a huge theme here. 322 can represent phi, the golden ratio doubled, 1.61 plus 1.61. Phi, the word, is 144 in the Fibonacci cipher, and currently there are 144 Bitcoin blocks created per day. And then you have the maximum amount of XRP of 100 billion tokens, and the maximum amount of Bitcoin is 21 million tokens. So 100 billion XRP divided by 21 million BTC is 4,761, the amount of XRP for each Bitcoin. Now 4,761 is the 69 squared. So here we are again with the square, and this is going to be a theme. The XRP trading logo is the as above, so below symbol and represents this, the 69. And yin and yang is also represented by the 69, as well as the astrological sign Cancer, but the 69 is tilted on its side. So Cancer is 277 in the Fibonacci cipher, and 277 is the 59th prime number. Then so on, 59 is the 17th prime, 17 is the 7th prime, and 7 is the 4th prime. XRP is 59 in the reverse prime cipher, while phi is the reverse 95 in the prime cipher. So this is another as above, so below relationship. And the Ripple Triskelion, the Ripple logo mark, is based off of phi, or the golden ratio, as you can see here. Now again, 17 is the 7th prime, so we're back to Bitcoin being the 7, and the G in the Freemason logo mark is the 7th letter. So the word Cancer is 19 in Chaldean, and the 19th prime is 67. So order 322 for Skull and Bones is 67 in English ordinal, and Eye of Providence, or the all-seeing Eye of God, is 67 in reverse full reduction. Order 322 is 227 in the Fibonacci cipher, and the Fibonacci sequence being close to the golden ratio, or 1.618. So 22 divided by 7 is again representative of pi, or 3.14. And the words 22 divided by 7 equals 314 in English ordinal, or is again representative of pi, the 3.14. 360 for degrees in a circle is 227 in English ordinal, or again 22 divided by 7. And then pi is the 16th letter in the Greek alphabet. BTC is 16 in the Fibonacci cipher. Skull and Bones is a secret society at Yale. Yale is 16 in full reduction. Pi is 16 in full reduction. And then Yale is then 151 in the Fibonacci cipher, 151 being the 36th prime. The word Bitcoin is 36 in full reduction, and Ripple Labs is 36 in Chaldean. There are a total of 1 million drops or units in each XRP and 100 million Satoshis in each Bitcoin. So there are 47 times more maximum XRP units to BTC units. And then 47 then refers to the 47th problem of Euclid for a mason to square their squares, otherwise known as the Pythagorean theorem. Now the square and compass is again represented in Freemasonry, and it can be seen as the 47th problem, or the Pythagorean theorem, plus pi. And Freemasonry is 59 in reverse full reduction, 59 again the 17th prime, 17 the 7th prime, and 7 the 4th prime. Enslavement is 59 in reverse full reduction. So I guess we are enslaved by this time-based reality, which you can't really deny. Freemasonry is 58 in full reduction. 3-3 is 58 in full reduction for the 33rd degree. Pythagorean is 58 in full reduction, and New World Order is 58 in Chaldean. XRP is 58 in the English ordinal, and the XRP trading logo being the as above so below. The words as above so below are 58 in Chaldean. Now pi is about the perimeter of a circle. The words perimeter of a circle equate to 69 in Chaldean, the as above so below. And then perimeter of a circle and Satoshi Nakamoto are both 181 in English ordinal cipher, and 181 is the 42nd prime number. Blockchain is 42 in full reduction, Freemason is 42 in full reduction, and Pythagorean is 42 in Chaldean, again from the Pythagorean theorem, or 47th problem of Euclid. Now golden ratio is 42 in Chaldean, which again is the Ripple logo mark, has it in it. Golden mean is 42 in Chaldean, and Ripple XRP is 42 in Chaldean. Phi is the 21st letter of the Greek alphabet, and there are a maximum of 21 million bitcoins. If you add pi and phi in terms of what letters they represent in the Greek alphabet, you get 37, otherwise letter 16 plus letter 21. The term order 322 and Cancer are 37 in reverse full reduction, the as above so below relationship. 37 is the 12th prime. This is like the months in our year. The word phi is 12 in reverse full reduction, the reverse of itself being the 21st letter in the Greek alphabet. Now the number 69, representing Cancer or the yin and yang or the as above so below, has 96 as the sum of its divisors. Freemason is 96 in English ordinal, Ripple Labs XRP is 96 in full reduction, and New Haven, Connecticut, where Yale University is located, is 96 in reverse full reduction. Now as above so below and order out of chaos are both 78 in reverse full reduction. Ordo ab chao, or order out of chaos, is the motto of the 33rd degree Freemason. The average person is born with 33 individual vertebrae, otherwise represented by the skull and bones. 33 represents the changing of form, like ice to water, and 33 can also represent gnosis, or the unveiling of these spiritual truths. There are 78 cards in the tarot deck, matching the as above so below, and then mystic science and geometry and energy are what you would like to connect with that. So phi is 33 in English ordinal. The word Triskelion, the Ripple logo, is 33 in Chaldean. 7 days is 33 in Chaldean and full reduction. The number 7 days is 33 in the Fibonacci cipher. Order is 33 in full reduction. Phi is 33 in English ordinal. Oh, that's in there twice. So 33 is first found in the string of pi in position 24. So I'll go to the pi search page, and we'll do 33. position 24. And then we'll see 33 in Phi, which is position 5. So continuing, 33 being the found first in the pi at position 24, Phi is 24 in full reduction. 33 occupies decimal places 24 and 25 in pi. 24 plus 25 is 49, and 49 is again the 7 squared, or 7 days in a week, 7 colors of a rainbow. So 7 is the 4th prime, and there's 4 seasons in a year. So again, this is all about time geometry. 7 is first found in decimal place 13 of pi. Let's type that in, 13. And then 7 is first found in decimal place 10 of Phi. So 10, again, like the whole numbers 0 through 9, and then 7 being the 13th decimal place of pi, there are 13 weeks in the season. Now, adding the decimal places of where 7 is first found in Phi and pi is 23, and Bitcoin is 23 in Chaldean. BTC is 9 in the Chaldean cipher, and the 9th prime is 23. BTC, or Bitcoin, will have a total of 32 halvings, and that's a mirror of the 23, again another as above so below relationship. And Ripple is 32 in reverse full reduction. Blockchain is 32 in Chaldean, and 23 again being the 9th prime. BTC is 9 in Chaldean, pi is 9 in Chaldean, and the letter I being the 9th letter relates to I, M being the one to perceive, otherwise the all-seeing I, instead of EYE being the letter I. Now number 33 also relates to 3 squared equaling 9, which is the power of creation, the God of all or truth. And 33 is first found in the string of Phi at position 5. So we'll go back, 33 in Phi, 5th decimal place, so it respectively occupies places 5 and 6 for its 2 digits. So continuing, the 5th prime number is 11. So by adding the 2 decimal places 33 occupies in Phi, number 5 and 6, that sums to 11. Now the 6th prime is 13. So 11 plus 13 is 24, and the 11 plus 13 represent the 2 decimal places of 33 being found first in the string of Phi, and those are the respective primes, the 5th prime being 11 and the 6th prime being 13. Now 24 is just like our hours in a day. And the Freemasonic G can be considered the 33rd letter in the alphabet if you cycle through the alphabet and come back to it on the second cycle. So 26 plus 7 is 33. Now the sum of the 4 decimal places of 33 found in pi and Phi is 60. Also can be seen as 6 by the rules of numerology. So to recap, 33 is found in position 24 and 25 decimal places of pi, and 33 is found in decimal places 5 and 6 of Phi, so that sum is 60. Now the words 33 is 60 in reverse full reduction. The word golden ratio, words, is 60 in reverse full reduction as well, golden ratio having been embedded in the Ripple logo mark. The word 7 colors are 60 in full reduction. The word order is 60 in English ordinal. Now taking the reduction of the 60 to 6, the 6th element is carbon, and a carbon atom has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons, which otherwise can be seen as the 666. So this just has to do with physical reality. Carbon represents us as life forms ruled by time and mathematics, these proportions. Now 6 squared, because again the squares are important, is 36. And Bitcoin is 36 in full reduction, while Ripple Labs is 36 in Chaldean. So we're coming full circle here, just like pi. The word Saturn is 21 in Chaldean and full reduction, and the 21st Greek letter is phi. Saturn is 42 in reverse full reduction, and then perimeter of a circle and Satoshi Nakamoto are both 181 in English ordinal, which 181 is the 42nd prime number. And recapping earlier 42s, blockchain is 42 in full reduction, Freemason is 42 in full reduction, Pythagorean is 42 in Chaldean, golden ratio is 42 in Chaldean, golden mean is 42 in Chaldean, and Ripple XRP is 42 in Chaldean. Saturn is 69 in reverse ordinal, the as above so below symbology again, yin and yang, Cancer, all those things. Perimeter of a circle is 69 in Chaldean. Of course, perimeter of a circle being pi. Ripple Labs XRP is 69 in full reduction, and New World Order is 69 in reverse full reduction. Saturn has a giant eye that is said to have cloud speeds of up to 330 miles per hour, otherwise the 33. And it's interesting too, I see here that it's 150 meters per second, which if you reduce the 150 to 15, XRP is 15 in Chaldean. So Saturn worship is 78 in reverse full reduction, just like as above so below, and order out of chaos. And the word blockchain is 78 in English ordinal. So tons of symmetries here. I'd like to know what you think. Now I do have a fascinating decode about the Genesis ledger block on the XRP blockchain. It has a lot of connections with actual physical locations of Ripple Labs locations, and as well as just more correlations to these mathematics. So if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.